Hi guys, in this video I want to make you aware of the Precision Editor. You may not be aware of it like I wasn't until recently, and I just want to make you aware of it for when you're editing your cuts in Final Cut Pro. We have a timeline here. We're going to zoom in and go to a cut point. If you're like me and you've been trying to adjust your cuts, you know, a bit like this, and it's kind of fiddly, hard to see, well, there's this method. We can double click the cut point and it brings up this Precision Editor. Then you've got access to the incoming and outgoing clips on the top and the bottom. And if you basically slide the top bit here, this is a ripple trim. So you may just want to tinker like and edit more to your audio forms. And you can adjust this one if you want to do it like this. And then you can just click that and play, see how it sounds. You can also adjust this by, it's a roll trim. So it just rolls across. You can just see how that is as well. But it's for fine adjustments. We can probably see a lot better what your waveforms do. This is for not editing your audio. It's for editing the video. It might be very useful just to get more precise with your cuts, your talking head or whatever you're editing. And you want to make sure it's a bit more seamless. So also, if you're some people get accidentally stuck in this mode, Precision Editor, and to get out of it, it's simply escape key. Simple as that. So to go into it, double click, out of it, escape key. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. I'll see you in a video shortly, very soon. Peace and good luck in your editing.